Good morning, my YouTube family. You guys, so many undies. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I might be a little behind on my Splendies unboxing videos. You guys want to see what I've gathered up for the last 2 months? Oh my gosh. I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, my loves. Splendies, Splendies, Splendies. Splendies is a monthly subscription carton, we'll call it. It comes like this, which you guys, they just announced that this is actually biodegradable, so that is fantastic. And then this part of it is also biodegradable, and then these, the tissue paper, is recyclable, that it's all wrapped up in. Getting right with the planet. Good job, Splendies. Good job. All right, loves. Splendies is a monthly subscription. You get 3 pairs of undies. You either have your choice of having 0 thongs or all thongs or a variety of panties with no thongs. So not a lot of choices going on there. They are working on that. Hopefully we get a little bit more choices in there. Y'all, I keep looking over that way because Little Fuzzy Chicken is still really going through it. And yeah, I had some rude comments about the dog barking in the back. Well, my dog is sick. My dog is in a lot of pain. And he is my baby. So if you mind the little bark you hear in the back, there's an X right up there at the top. Tap it and it'll take you along your way. It's not very often, you guys, and I do know that it is annoying in some videos, but there's nothing I can do about it. I upped his pain medication, upped his muscle relaxers. The baby's just hurting. He's hurting bad. Okay, loves, let's get back to Splendies. So, 3 pairs of undies. Make sure that us creators, you tag Splendies in your videos. Hashtag Splendies. Do it on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you have, because they do watch your videos and they do go through and they pick somebody to either give them an extra set of undies or they'll give you a month free. So yeah, they're $16.99 a month. These undies are $12 a piece. If you're subscribed to them, I believe you get them for like $5. Guys, these so far have been good quality underwear. Undies, panties, whatever you want to call them. So we're going to do a couple months worth of undies here, you guys. And y'all, I might have to literally, you can pause your subscription. For those that don't know that, you can pause it for like 3 months and then pick right back up where you became if you're getting overwhelmed with underwear. I'm getting overwhelmed with underwear. So I'm actually thinking about pausing my Splendies subscription. Not because I don't like them or I found anything wrong with them. It's just I have got a whole lot of undies now. A whole lot of them. I've been giving them to my daughter. We're about the same size, my oldest one. And she's getting bombarded with underwear too. So I think we might have to pause it, unfortunately. So let's get into what I've gotten for May and June. Here is the first pair. I love this little crisscross on the side here. Love that. This just seems like a dirty purple color to me. It's kind of a lilac color. Of course, the sewing is amazing, wonderful. For those that don't know, let me see if I can find a crotch that actually has it. Let's see, these here would be June, I believe, or maybe even May. I'm not sure, you guys. Look at that little crisscross in the back. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so those that don't know, one side of the crotch is sewn, one side is not. From my research, what I figured out is that they do that to save thread. So if you get a pair of underwear that don't have both sides of the crotch sewn, no, it's not for a pocket. It's because they're trying to save money on their thread, which I don't understand because they actually have to hem this side also. You see that hem in there? So why not just take it all the way through? It doesn't make a difference. The vagina still breathes the same way, so it has nothing to do with medical effects. It's literally just to save money, y'all. These here are absolutely adorable. I love, 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 love these. Look at these cutie duties. And the purple flowers. Look how cute those are. How cute is that? And here's the little bow. Aw, I love them. They're so cute. So cute. Okay, we got another one that has the rather large waistband again, guys. We went through that in my last Splendies video. So where this is going to sit at on my hips, they're going to fit, but I don't know, you guys, it's see-through. It's beautiful lace, absolutely gorgeous lace. But it's all see-through. I wish they didn't have so many see-through undies, and I wish that they had boy shorts. I love wearing boy shorts. Love them, love them, love them. Okay, guys, got 2 more pairs here. These are cute. Look at these. Again, see-through. Peekaboo. And again, one side of the crotch is not sewn, the other side is. So all of these undies are going to be like that. And it's literally just a safe thread, you guys. All right, my loves, the very last pair. I'm so happy I got these. Look at these. Look, 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 look. Unicorns. Oh my gosh. And of course, the rear end is lace, peekaboo, and see-through. Those are adorable. Those are so stinking cute. I bet my daughter's going to go, Mom, I lied. I don't have enough undies now. I need some new undies. How cute. So 6 more pairs of undies here. You guys, you get 3 pairs a month for $16.99. You go on their site and they're going to be $12 a piece. Unless you're a subscriber and then you get them at the discounted rate. I do like these here that have the tummy control. Oops, they're inside out, Sunny. Or is that the back? Yeah, that's the back. What the crap? I like the tummy control ones. I really, really like those that we've gotten. I'm kind of tired of getting see-through ones. I like to run around in my t-shirt and my underwear, and I would love to do that. And with a 7-year-old little boy in your house, you don't do that. I like to sleep in a t-shirt and underwear. You don't do that with a 7-year-old little boy in your house. So, that is all my Splendies for the month of May and June. July should be coming in soon. I'm probably going to have to pause them for a little bit, guys. Unless my daughter wants to take some off my hands. I'm not sure. I do like that you can pause it for like 3 months and then just pick right back up where you have. Like I said, this has nothing to do with the product or the shipping or the customer service or anything of that matter whatsoever. I love my Splendies panties. I truly love bras, you guys, which I do want to get on there and get a set. I would like to do that still. Oh, you guys, I've got so much stuff. I need help. I need help. I need help. All right, loves, that's all. Splendies, $16.99 a month. You can go on their site if you're a subscriber for them and get them for $5 a month. Otherwise, they are $12 a piece. All right, loves, that's going to do it. That's all for the Splendies. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Your girl will see you in the next video.